Fixit.
Something that is very important for everyone. The fire alarm. The safety is one of the most important things when we are talking about our own property and our children living in it. You need to know that the insurance company will do everything possible to avoid paying any type of damages in your apartment. So highly recommended is to have smoke fire detectors installed all over your home. And even better will be if these detectors relate to an application on your smartphone. This is how we will know if there is smoke at home, wherever we are. In case of fire, there are a lot of problems that needs to be resolved. You can imagine the loss of this family, their neighbors, and also the environment impact.